So this question definitely will enhance your logics, and if you are interested, you can write the program as well. The question is here, the natural numbers are divided into groups as one is first one number is one group, 2, 3, 4 is second group, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is third group, and so on. The question is sum of the numbers in the 15th group is equal to what? Options also are given. Okay, sum of the numbers in 15th group is what? Natural number starts from 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinite, right? So first group 1 is available, second group 2, 3, 4. So 1 is in first group, second group is 2, 3, 4, third group is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, observation skills, logical thinking skills, definitely you will enhance. Okay, what is fourth group? 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 16. You can understand first group only one number, second group 3 numbers, third group 5 numbers, fourth group 7 numbers, so on. Okay, this is first group. G1 I am calling group 1, G2 group 2, G3 is group 3. Like that will go up to G15 is the question. Now I want what is the G15th group first number and last number. Then you can map the remaining things easily. That's where logic comes into play. This is fourth group as you people mentioned. Excellent. 1, 3, 5, 7. So 7 numbers is in fourth group. But question is regarding which group? 15th group. I am asking you if you want to find the sum of that. Okay, you have to know the list of numbers. Particularly, you have to know first number and last number. Yes. What is the last number in 15th group? First number in 15th group. This is where logic will come into picture. Observation skills, logical thinking. If you closely look into that, okay, or else if you know a property regarding sum of odd numbers, what is sum of odd numbers property if you have an idea? See, odd numbers, no? What is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, so on up to n? This is nothing but n square. Sum of odd numbers is n square. How, sir? See, if you stop at first number, what is the summation? 1. 1 is 1 square, right? If you stop at two numbers, what is 1 plus 3? 4 is 2 square. Two numbers stop at 2 square. When you stop at three numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9, 3 square. When I stop at three numbers, 3 square. When I stop at four numbers, 4 square. When I stop at n numbers, n terms this is. So on up to n terms. When I stop at n terms, answer should be n square. Sir, why this is required? I think now you will get the idea. What is second group last number? 2 square. Third group last number? Third group last number 3 square. Fourth group last number 4 square. Now 15th group last number 225. 15th group first number, not getting the answer. 15th group first number 197, right? Before group 196 is the last. Before one is which group? Definitely end with 196. The starting should be 197 here. Okay, now next one 198, like that you have up to 225. Now the question is, okay, some of these numbers fine we can do, but think this in programming point of view. Those who are interested in programming, try to write program for this. Yeah, you have a natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Your program should have that natural numbers already. And if this is asking what is 19th group starting number, you have to give the output. 19th group last number, your program should give the output. Sum of those numbers, your program should give the output. I can ask you what is the middle number in that group. Definitely middle number is there. Total numbers are odd. Middle number only 1. Each group total is odd number. 7 means middle is only 1. See, 13 is the middle number in this. 13 is middle. How to get the middle number also you can try. How to get the middle number in the group? 26 by 2. First number plus last number divided by 2 is middle. If you know first number, last number, middle number is easy. They can ask you that also. If we can see, third group middle number is 7. First number 5, last number 9. 5 plus 9 divided by 2, 7. Middle. So 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 3. Okay, divide by 2, 3 we got. So they can ask you middle number in that group, first number in the group, last number in the group, sum of the numbers of that group. Your program should give all the outputs. Try to write this program. No, you can be in a different style. This way, every question, if you see in that programming, if you want to enter into that, okay, if you have a thought of entering into 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs packages, some dream jobs, then you should see the questions in aptitude also in programming direction. Can I write program for this? What is the inputs required? What should be the output? What should be the logic? What is the better way to write the program in less number of lines? First, write the program. Then think about, can I optimize it with less number of lines? Because there are companies now, what they'll do, they'll check your execution time as well. If the code is more lines, it will do iterations and all, it will take more time to execute. That also the companies are checking, they'll give limitation. Within this time, your execution should complete. It is taking more time, it's, even though you are getting output, your program they don't consider. And they'll say number of lines also, you need only 5 lines, 10 lines, your program should be. Some conditions also they can add. You can check in hacker rank. If you start any codes, no, they'll give you conditions. Without if loop, you have to do this. Without print, you need to do this. They're giving some conditions and all. That you will learn more and more. Whether it is related to Python or C, try to start in hacker rank and try to see they're giving this condition based ones. Once you start learning now, there is a different era. Okay, and try to go for lead code. There they're giving challenges, 30 days challenge, 50 days challenge, 10 days challenge, 100 days challenge. You try to do those things, then your confidence level will increase. So all these trainings are to improve your confidence level. You have something differ from other, then the way you attend for interviews is different. When you are inferior, when you are superior, the way you attend the interviews are different. That confidence level is important. And definitely when you go for all these things, you will learn something for sure. Okay, do those specifically whenever you have a time. If you want to enter into software side, no second thought, go for hacker and go for lead codes and try to think every question here in terms of programming direction. And okay, we're not done with the question so far. What's the answer actually? What they're asking actually? Sum of the numbers, right? Sum of these numbers, right? So now 197. Is this terms are in AP? Is this terms are in arithmetic progression? Difference is one, right? See, if it is sum of natural numbers, n natural numbers means you have some formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, how you got that formula also? If you want, I'll just give you one glimpse. See, okay, how we got those formulas and what is the shortcut you people can apply here? That comes from progression concept. Okay, I'll just give the idea regarding progressions, arithmetic progression. See, in arithmetic progression, I'm taking very basic example 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Is this in AP or not? Arithmetic progression or not? Right. Now, I'm telling you the formula. You people know some formula in some of terms in AP and so on. So, I'm just giving you how you got that formula as well. See, what is 2 plus 17? 5 plus 14? 8 plus 11? 19, 19, 19. How many such pairs? 3 pairs. Answer is 57. This is sum of terms in AP. 19 into 3. Is this okay? We calculated everything right. All summation. You can do 2 plus 5, 5 plus 8. But from this short one only, the formula is developed. What do people know? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That formula also developed from this concept only. What is that also? We'll check. Okay, see. Fine. Now, what is the formula actually? Have you got 19 here? What is this 19? I can say 2 plus 17, or I can say 5 plus 14. Okay, or better is first term and last term. So A plus L. A is nothing but generally called first term. You know, on arithmetic progression, geometric progression, we'll take A. A is nothing but called first term. First term. L means last term. Okay. How many terms here? 6. But I taken only 3. Two terms I taken as 1 pair. Okay, so n by 2. N is nothing but number of terms. So this is the formula actually. From this one only you got the 2a plus n minus all those blah blah formulas all came from this. First term plus last term, number of terms divided by 2. And you people know sum of natural numbers formula, right? Okay, in fact this n square, just now we developed n square, right? Is this in AP? Is this terms are in AP? That also I'll show n square how you got. One I shown 1, 4, 9, 16, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Or else this is in AP, you can apply that above formula also. We'll see that, okay, how you can do the things. Now, yeah, sum of n natural numbers means natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, so on up to n natural numbers means what is the last number? N. Right? Now is this in AP? Yes. Now, as per this, what is the first term? 1. Last term? N. How many terms? N natural numbers. N by 2. You shuffle 1 plus n can be written as n plus 1. This is the formula you know. Sum of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. No sir, I know AP is some other formula. In AP, first term is called A. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term means nth term, right? In arithmetic progression, if you recall, nth term is the last one. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. First term is A, second term is A plus 2D, sorry, A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. 4, but we use 3, a plus 3d. Fifth term is a plus 4d. Like that, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Number of terms I am taken as n. If you shuffle this now, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into. This is the formula you people know in your childhood. Okay, regarding sum of terms in AP, first you will get this formula into your mind. But this is the formula how it is developed. It's from basic example. Means okay, this is what where companies also expecting first. How you develop a formula using formula based, but how the formula came, how you developed. Okay, this you people already know. If this methodology, if you already know, then you can already solve the question which we are discussing. We have to analyze. This is analysis. From that, we are developing new formula. That's what we want. Some new situation came, you need to analyze that. You develop some new thing and you try to write the program for that. That's what companies are expecting. Analysis. You have to analyze. Okay, here also this we are analyzing. Okay, we taken some numbers, we got the idea. Last number is nothing but the group number square and all. Now, here, what is the first? Is this terms are in AP? What is the first term? 197. Last term 225. How many number of terms? Now number of terms divided by 2. Listen. Better analyze here. How many number of terms here in second group? 3 terms. Third group 5 terms. Fourth group 4 double 4 2 times. 8 minus 1 3 2 times. 6 minus 1 2 2 times. 4 minus 1 is 3. Double minus 1, the group number, double minus 1 is number of terms. Just analysis, that's it. I am not asking to define a formula already. See the situation, analyze. You already have a values here. They given already some values. Up to 9, at least here you analyze here 3. Group number is number of terms is 5. How I can generalize it? Double minus 1. Is it verified? We verify in the next one also. 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7 terms. So double minus 1. So number of 15 minus 1, 15 2 times 30, 30 minus 1 is 29. Here, if I give 3, it is 200. This is 4. Okay, so 422 into 29 divided by 2, which is 211. Right, okay. 211 into 29. Now also, don't waste your time. They given options. They given options. See the units place. What is the units place? 1 into 9 means your answer should end with 9. Okay, only one option ending with 9 is optional. 6 double. I don't want to do entire thing. Well, check. So that different methodology is required. Sir, I know how to do multiplication. There, 1 minute waste then. You multiplying with that. What are the shortcut method, Vedic maths, or you use abacus, whatever it might be. It will take some time. But as options are already given, okay, you just go for the units place, check that first, then decide the answer. Okay. And is it basic verification? What I can do? I can take approximation. 29 can be taken as 30. Instead of 2 level, I'll take around 200, 205 something, or 200. 200 into 30 will be 6,000 close. If I now increase this by 130, this should decrease. As this is increase, I need to decrease this something like 205 or 200 something. 200 into 30 will be 6,000. 6,000 nearby I need answer. Yeah, my answer is in 6,000 only, ending with 9. So option A. So you need all these different type of analysis because last step, every question in aptitude, quantitative aptitude, last step will be some calculations. In first semester, we kept a lot of reasoning concepts. You don't have that calculations requirement. But in the second booklet, when we give there, it's more about quant. First booklet more about reasoning, what we hand out to you people, and second booklet is more of quant. Second and third also, okay, more of quant we are adding.